Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your redeem codes on the Hearthstone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the battle.net application on your device. And if you are not already logged into your account, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you have any redeem code that you would like to use and redeem onto your account for the Hearthstone game, then just click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, you will now see the redeem code button. Go ahead and click on it, and you will now be taken into the redemption page. You can just type in your redeem code within the given box in order to activate it. You can click on Need Help Redeeming a Code if you are struggling to find the redeem code within your card. After entering the code within the given box, just click on the redeem code button, and now the code will be checked, and after verification it will be added, and you will be given the reward to your account on Hearthstone right away. You can now continue playing your game and reap the benefits of this reward. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a redeem code on the Hearthstone game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.